Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome. Today, we are stepping into a new era of rolling luxury as we explore the all-new 2026 CHRYSALIS V-WING Double-Decker RV, a $5 million rolling mansion that truly changes everything. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this towering masterpiece feels less like a vehicle and more like a super yacht lifted gently onto wheels. Its presence is commanding yet graceful, with sleek, futuristic sculpting that glides through the air as though it were shaped by the wind itself. Every curve, every line, every deliberate contour speaks a language of ambition and artistry, the kind that makes you stop and look twice, just to make sure you're not dreaming. The CHRYSALIS V-WING doesn't simply sit on the road, it arrives with the energy of a new world wonder. As you walk toward it, the lighting alone sets the tone for what this machine represents. Razor-sharp daytime running lights sweep forward like golden wings, while the full LED lighting system dances softly across the body with a sophisticated glow. Even at night, the wraparound taillights and subtle ambient accents create the kind of presence that makes the RV shimmer like a floating luxury suite gliding through the darkness. And because this is a double-decker masterpiece, the elevated front cabin creates a panoramic perch, offering an unmistakable silhouette unlike anything on the market today. It stands tall, proud, and unmistakably luxurious. Look closer, and you notice the glass. The panoramic roof stretches across both levels, pouring natural light through the cabin and giving passengers an uninterrupted view of the sky. Whether it is early morning sunlight or a night full of stars, the roof captures every moment and pulls it right into the heart of the RV. Complementing this dramatic openness is the paint scheme, offered in striking combinations like champagne gold paired with obsidian black, or a silver contrast that looks alive under changing light. Every inch is finished with the precision of a hand-sculpted luxury object, polished to a mirror glow. Approaching the entrance feels like stepping toward a private jet. The keyless entry responds to your presence. The hidden retractable steps glide outward, and the secure digital keypad lights up softly as though welcoming you home. Around the rear, the sculpted surfaces fold into a beautifully integrated spoiler, balancing functional performance with undeniable artistry. And then there are the wheels, large, powerful, and futuristic, with aerodynamic hub covers that keep airflow smooth and stable. They complete the impression that the CHRYSALIS V-WING isn't just built to move, but built to glide with purpose. Stepping inside, the atmosphere shifts instantly. This isn't simply an interior, it is a sanctuary wrapped in luxury. Every surface whispers sophistication through genuine hand-stitched Napa leather, rich wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents that feel cool to the touch. The ambient lighting is fully customizable and flows like soft water across the cabin, adjusting throughout the day to match your mood or the world outside the windows. And because this is a double-decker RV, the sense of space is astonishing. The open concept layout spreads naturally across 2 full floors, offering a seamless flow between living, dining, sleeping, and entertainment zones. There is no clutter, no interruption, just pure, effortless living. The main floor gives you a lounge that feels like a luxury suite, anchored by plush 360-degree rotating recliner seats that transform into loungers or temporary beds with gentle, fluid movement. The entertainment system is built for immersion, with a massive OLED smart TV and a custom-tuned cinematic surround sound experience from Bose or Harman Kardon that makes movies feel alive. The smart glass windows enhance everything, adjusting opacity in an instant to create privacy or open the room completely to the world outside. Even while cruising down a highway, the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to advanced acoustic insulation that seals away the noise and pressure of the road. Near the center, the kitchen is an example of elegant functionality. The smart induction stove responds to touch with precision and safety. The fully integrated fridge and freezer blend into the cabinetry with seamless transitions. A compact, luxurious dishwasher keeps the space clean without compromising storage or visual harmony. Voice-activated controls allow you to manage lighting, temperature, appliances, and entertainment without lifting a finger. Hidden storage solutions and expandable countertops appear only when needed, keeping everything visually peaceful and effortlessly organized. Up the elegant staircase, the upper deck reveals itself as a private retreat floating above the world. At the far end waits the king-size bed, crafted with a high-density memory foam mattress and framed by soft, ambient lighting. Above it sits a dedicated smart glass ceiling panel designed specifically for stargazing, giving you a private night sky no matter where you sleep. The bathroom continues the spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, a polished marble sink, and auto temperature controls that deliver the perfect shower every single time. The smart mirror serves as your control hub, offering climate adjustments, lighting controls, infotainment access, and personalized settings through a clean, intuitive interface. Driving the CHRYSALIS V-WING is an experience of pure, effortless power. The hybrid electric drivetrain combines a turbocharged V8 with electric motors that collectively produce more than 700 horsepower. The adaptive air suspension reads the road in real time, adjusting ride height and damping instantly to maintain a silky smooth experience, whether you are cruising along a coastline or climbing into mountain passes. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip on every surface. Active noise cancellation wraps the cabin in serene silence, making long-distance travel feel calm and restorative. Technology elevates everything. The driver cockpit is a fully customizable digital environment with immersive 3D navigation that feels alive. The advanced autonomous assist features, including adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and optional hands-free driving, bring modern safety into every journey. A full 360-degree camera system removes every blind spot and makes parking a vehicle of this size surprisingly effortless. The AI travel assistant learns your preferences, plans optimized routes, recommends scenic stops, locates charging stations, and enhances every journey with intelligent suggestions. Integrated smart home control lets you manage lighting, climate, and entertainment through your phone or voice command, making the CHRYSALIS feel as convenient as it is luxurious. For those who want to personalize their experience, the list of luxury add-ons is unforgettable. Solar roof panels offer sustainable off-grid power. The built-in espresso machine and mini bar deliver true 5-star indulgence, and the retractable outdoor deck creates a private oasis for sunset views. High-speed satellite internet ensures uninterrupted global connectivity, while exclusive interior themes from Bentley, Hermes, and Rolls-Royce allow you to craft a space that is uniquely your own. The 2026 CHRYSALIS V-WING Double-Decker RV starts around $5 million, with multiple customization tiers and white glove ordering assistance to guide you from design to delivery. It is not just a purchase, it is an experience, a commitment to travel without limits. As we wrap up today's journey, imagine yourself behind the wheel. Sunlight streaming through the panoramic roof, the upper deck floating above the world, and miles of open road calling your name. The 2026 CHRYSALIS V-WING isn't simply a motorhome, it is the future of luxury travel. And here at Luxury Motorhome, we cannot wait to show you what comes next. Stay tuned for more breathtaking innovations, and until then, may your roads always lead to extraordinary places.